Hey, have you ever wondered how much the small YouTube channel in gaming niche makes from ads? Well, that's probably why you even clicked on this video. But first, before we get into my channel analytics and earnings, there is some basic info I have to explain. And that's RPM and CPM. Basically, RPM is how much you earn for every 1000 views. So that basically depends on your video watch time, on your niche, on your audience location, age, and many more. Basically depends how much people are ready to spend. If audience is older, of course, advertisers will pay much more money, like niches such as crypto, education, and investing. Now, CPM. That's how much advertisers will pay for every 1000 times ads are shown in your video. And that's it, I guess. Let's get into my YouTube analytics. Okay, so here's finally the part that you all been waiting for, and that is where I show my earnings and statistics and everything. So don't mind this. I was really active in the last 20 days. Do something important in my life. But we're gonna go straight to analytics, and I'm not gonna show the earnings yet. First, I wanna go actually through some statistics. So here are like 10 most viewed video in last 20 days that people are actually watching on my YouTube channel. So those three are like the most recent. Like this one is from 1 week ago, this from 2 weeks ago, this from 3 weeks ago, because I kind of started uploading less and less since I'm trying to spend more time actually learning even more about the YouTube, about the algorithm, about the impressions and stuff. So I'm trying to give my time before I actually start being active again. But if we go into the most latest video, this video actually did make 1.1k views. It was worth less than usual and everything. I did get only one subscriber from it, and video made $1.70. Yeah, this video didn't go real well, but that's probably because the average view duration was like around 3 minutes and 54 seconds, and basically people didn't watch that far through my video. Only like 22%, let's say 30 made by the end of the video. But that's why we're gonna go towards the impressions, and impressions weren't the best. Like as you guys can see, it was only 11.7k, and the average impression on my YouTube channel was, when I was doing like really actively, around 20 to 30, I would say. But enough with that. I'm just gonna go straight to the revenue. So as you guys can see, this video made $1.70. Even though I already said that, the average RPM per 1k views was $1.59. And the advertisers actually do pay $4.75 per 1000 views. So yeah, it actually depends how much people watch your content. So if probably everyone watched the whole video, I'll get obviously 4 and something. But actually YouTube takes some percentage. So usually advertisers pay like around, that would be like 9 and something, because YouTube takes like 50% of your money. So yeah, I mean, you can't expect a lot in gaming niche, since like average CPM is like around $5, let's say. Okay, but also right now I did want to go right into the content, and I wanna look around my most viewed videos. So we're gonna go here to the filters, we're gonna go views, and I think my 2 most viewed videos had like 4k views, I would say. But the thing was that at the time when I just got monetized, because I'm monetized for like 6 months right now, and I didn't know about revenue sharing and where to find the copyright music and without revenue sharing. So yeah, I'm just gonna go right into the first video. This one is most viewed. It had like 4.4k views. So I'm gonna write in it. I'm gonna go towards analytics, and this video actually did have decent watch time. It was 337. I did get 4 subscribers from this, and I did make $70. So if we go to the revenue, actually I'm first gonna go to reach, because those are impressions that are like really important. So we did have like 42k impressions, and I did get 3.2k views out of that. So that was like click-through rate around 7.4%. If we go right into revenue, you can see that I did make only $7. And why is that? It is, like I said, because of the revenue share, and I did have like RPM on $1.6. That's how much did I make from 1k views. And advertisers pay $5.73, and I'm not quite sure how much did the holders of the music video, the sound, get. But I mean, right now it doesn't basically really matter because I know where to get my music and sounds. If you want me to actually help you with that and tell you, you can just type in comments. Actually, I want to go into the next video, and this video did actually get 4.1k views, which is pretty decent. And if you go towards analytics, this video actually did have more watch time. I did get 56 subscribers and the video made only $1. So yeah, this video had pretty decent attention from the viewers, I would say, because like 50% watched until like the 5 minutes. So if we're going to go to reach, it did also get 42k impressions and 3.1k views, which is pretty much similar to the previous video because they were actually uploaded in the same month. And when I was at the grind, I was getting like 3 to 4k views a video for like 2 months until I stopped again. So I was doing pretty huge mistakes of stopping my uploadings and stuff. But if I go to revenue, yeah, only $1. The other titles did pay a lot more than on previous, and that's like $6, which is like, I would say, above average for a gaming channel. And the video did get $0.25 per 1,000 views. So actually, the song that I used in this video actually did take a lot higher percentage, and they did probably make, I don't know, I would say like around $10 for my video. So yeah, that kind of sucks. So basically, if you're starting a gaming channel, you get monetized, watch out for copyright and for the, revenue share. Okay, so right now, here's the moment you all have been waiting for. And the estimated revenue of my channel was $16.50 in the last 20 days. Yeah, I know. That's probably something that you expected. Or was it? So, I'm gonna go right now into the revenue. And as you guys can see, I did only get $1 here, $1 there. And here was something a little bit more because that was from previous videos, previous months. But for 2 videos that I uploaded, I actually did not get a lot, probably like $4. So if I go down to settings, you can see how much I earned in every month. So in this month, I did make $6, 37, 38, 36, 21, 17. So if I go to see more, I monetized for like 7 or 8 months or 6. I'm not quite sure right now. But my channel at total did make $280. So 248 was from the YouTube actually ad revenue, and I'd make $11 from YouTube Premium. Okay, and that's it, I guess. Make sure to tell me down there in comments, did you expect this amount actually right now, or are you kind of disappointed with how much YouTube pays? But yeah, thank you for watching, and see you next video.